Hi everybody, thanks so much for showing interest in the module in Corporate Governance and Responsibility in Finance. My name is Constanza Russo and I'm the academic responsible for the delivery of this module, even though at times guest speakers from the private sector or the public sector may join me. This is a course where no prior knowledge of banking and financial law or of company law is required. As for the module content, it really does what it says on the tin. As the title suggests, the focus will be on the governance of banks and investment firms and on their responsibilities. In the governance part, we will investigate what is so special about it and why does this differ from the one of non-financial firms and how widely accepted corporate governance concepts such as remuneration, conflict of interest, or internal check and balances mechanisms apply to banking and financial companies. On the responsibility side, we will look at responsibility under two lenses. On the one hand, the responsibility that companies have towards their customers, their investors, the environment, and society as a whole. On the other hand, though, we will look at responsibility in terms of liability, and therefore we will be looking at the liability regimes in terms of senior managers and corporate liability, and we will be looking at the relevant sanctioning framework. Reference will be made to UK and EU law, as well as industry self-regulation. But as high-level principles and international standards will be discussed, you will find that your learning will be relevant to your own jurisdiction. In terms of the assessment, you will be asked to respond to a public consultation issued by a financial regulator ahead of a policy change. You will frame your response either as an academic or a financial firm or another stakeholder. This module will enhance your employability skills in two ways. First, you will gain knowledge relevant for the private sector and the public one. And second, the assessment tests your critical thinking as well as your advocacy and entrepreneurial abilities, which will be relevant for your career in law. Thank you.